beauty. Good morning, welcome back to a new video. As you see, we have brought the tractor here, and still kind of exciting that it works, kind of unusual that it can drive here and we're able to work next to our barn. So in this video, what we're gonna do, we're gonna clean out the cab. It has lots of junk, lots of bolts, lots of still gunk left inside. And the main objective of today is to fix the seat. The seat has a metal back that is grinding, that all the foam is gone, and it just grinds on your spine very hard. Each bump you just get punched very much. So we're gonna take it out. The seat otherwise are very comfy. I really like this seat. I prefer it over the blue tractor seat because this one is a lot closer to the steering wheel, for me at least. So when you're pressing the clutch, it's not such a work as that one. You're really far away. That one's very comfy and very relaxed. This one's more like a proper seat. So yeah, anyways, get the seat out. Well, first of all, get all the trash out, all the metals, and then we're going to be able to see how the seat comes out. I think it is adjustable seat, so it has a bit of a mechanism, but I hope that you could just find 4 screws and just all of it out. So we can paint it all, we're going to restore it to, you know, as good as we can. We're going to see how to do upholstery on it, because it might not be as easy, because, you know, we were thinking to make a seat for another project and we're just using a wood, so we staple the fabric over it, very easy. But this one's metal, so we'll have to see how it works, if we have to stitch through the metal or something. But yeah, let's get started. That is the adjustment for the seat.
So we have cleaned it all up. It was like a lot of gunk and a lot of junk and a lot of, I don't even remember how it looks, but yeah, I think we have done a very good job. So now we are gonna paint it. So let's get the paint, the brush, and get started.
Ready? Woo! The old seat actually doesn't look that bad. So someone sit it out that far, imagine. Someone sit it that far out. And then they decided to add just a random pad with penis on it.
That's the most disgusting thing. The reveal of it. I'm usually not discussed about things, but that just gives me the
creeps. Okay, and this is like really like alive now. Go. So while painting this, I came to a realization and I started measuring the height of this chair. And I also noticed that this is not the original chair because it's welded onto the bracket. So I went to measure it and put a bucket in that's roughly the same height, even a bit less. And I'm punching the ceiling. I will be punching the ceiling, and the windows like that. That's the top of the windows like in my eyes. So we'll have to cut off the springs. Sadly, we're not gonna have any springs on this, any softness to it. So we'll just put it back flat down because that's how it was. So yeah, this seat was just not made for this tractor. It's too high up. Maybe for a really short person it would work. For me, no, it doesn't work. I'll hit the ceiling. So we'll take off the springs before it's too late. And yeah, sadly, all that goes to waste. I should have just measured before I even attached them. This is my bad. Oh, I'm just like, yeah, let's do it. It's gonna be all good. It's gonna be perfect. Yeah, this tractor is pretty small in that sense. So we removed the springs, but the chair remembers the springs and it keeps working. Is there something we missed? When we were doing this, it was not having any springing at all. It was just going down and then you have to pull it up.
Maybe the hydraulic we removed?
But that was helping it, no?
Or not?
Something is having a springy action in there.
Don't get it. Alright, well that's good.
Did we blow it with the torch and unblow something open? Because we cleaned all of the insides.
Could be. Okay, let's keep painting.
So it is all painted. It took a lot longer than we expected to do all of this. So the cushioning is gonna be in the next video with something together, something else, you'll see. This video is more like a restoration and cleaning and painting, and the gunk that was in there was beyond all the trash, all the metal that was in there. That took forever, so yeah, and we want to do it properly. It's not perfect. We could have taken it all apart and did every single part perfectly and sandpapered, primered. But this is not like rust-proof paint that eats the rust away and keeps it without rusting. So it's just kind of like a simple restoration, not really like a restoration, more like refreshing and making it look like kind of a bit nicer. Of course, it's really rough and not very well done, but it's gonna keep it nice looking and also to protect from rust. The color was not our choice. It was more like that was discount. It was half a price on rust-proof paint, and we pretty much used barely anything, so that paint's enough to paint the whole trailer. This is not the paint we would maybe choose by ourselves, but it does look really cool, and with some accents we think to add some black and some white, and also it's going to be the red, so it's going to be those 3 colors or 4 colors altogether. That's going to be the accents of the tractor. If you have any other color like you could suggest to add with this blue, I know yellow also fits really well, but we have to see what we go with, because the seat, the cushioning is going to be red, so it's red and blue. And then I think white fits really well with that, and also black will fit really well with blue. So yeah, that's pretty much it with this video. Hope you enjoyed, and we're going to see you next time. Bye bye.